age matters in learning English or not. In normal school, English is a mandatory subject and there are fixed processes which we should pass across to learn English. Since I was young, I've been wondering why people choose what students should learn previously. For instance, students at the age of 15 are supposed to learn to infinitive in their ordinary classes. Is it impossible to learn it 1 year earlier? For me, I think it's possible. To answer this question, I came up with 3 reasons. First, English is different from math in that it doesn't have any order in studying it. When it comes to math, it's inevitable to learn basic things to go up higher, similar to stairs. For example, we should know what addition is if we want to master multiplication, because it's defined by the form of addition. However, English is different from that. It doesn't have any order. Because of this reason, we can learn the word apple first, banana next, and vice versa. No matter what the order is, we could learn whatever we choose. Second, we can learn English naturally in our normal life. School education is not necessary for students to learn English. Wherever it's okay to be exposed to English, we can take it in our brain and be able to describe it fluently. This is the reason why there are so many kinds of English kindergarten in Korea. On the other hand, we have never heard about math kindergarten in our life, because math couldn't be got at naturally in our normal life. Lastly, our goal of learning English is to memorize as many words as possible. Because of the arbitrariness of English, we should memorize words because of the appointment of people who are using English. Let me tell you about arbitrariness briefly. There are 2 ways of describing this fruit, apple. In Korea, we describe this fruit by using the word 사과. However, in America or Britain, we use apple to describe this fruit. By recognizing that, we could learn that it doesn't have any inevitable relationship between the word 사과 and apple and this real object. Because of this feature of language, English requires memorizing some kind of words because it's appointment of people who are using English. But thankfully, it doesn't require high intelligence to memorize a single word, which means it could be done by the young children. As we can memorize it in any age, English doesn't have so much relationships with ages, except the case we are too young or too old. In conclusion, we could learn English no matter how old we are, because of these 3 reasons.